Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you with an unboxing video, but before we jump into that, I would like to ask you to please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and look me up on Instagram at Maddie Shops. I post a lot of stories, my day-to-day, outfit inspiration, makeup and things like that on my Instagram, so go check me out there. And while you're at it, if you like videos like this, unboxing videos, give it a thumbs up. Now, let's get into the video. Yeah, I have a few more bag acquisitions on the horizon. The Chanel heart bag is definitely on my mind. I have another bag I am eyeing from the 22P collection. It's on my mind. It's in there. I'm manifesting it. However, we have something a little bit different on schedule for today. And maybe some of you might know what it is. There's a few hints. We're feeling a certain vibe. We're channeling February. We're channeling Taylor Swift. We're channeling all of the stuff. This kind of snuck up on me. And when I did the full handbag run through collection video a couple weeks ago, I was actually examining my collection pretty closely and thinking about where are the gaps, what's missing, what should we add, what would be useful. And I came up with my list where I'm like, hey, we got a lot of pink bags in here. We got a lot of crossbody action. I would love to see a 19, maybe not pink because it is crossbody. I'd love to see some more, like a medium large Chanel classic. I'd love to see that in there. I'd love to add some more bags that are good to travel with because, I love my Chanel Boy, beautiful, stunning, perfect color. However, for travel, it just isn't really a bag that makes sense. It's big, it's heavy, and I wouldn't want to put her in a suitcase because she would get crushed. Sorry for the noise. And so that kind of led me on a new search. I was looking pretty closely at this Bottega Veneta bag. This is not the new one. This is not the unboxing. You're like, get to it already. No, I have a little bit to say. We're going to chit chat for a little bit. And the reason why, there are a lot of reasons why I really love this bag, but one of the primary features is it's such a good travel bag. And the reason is it's super squishy, kind of hard wearing, whatever. And you can jam it into your suitcase and then grab and go. And it's kind of like, it's very distinct and it's like sort of a, if you know bag, but otherwise you'd be totally safe with it. And it's just kind of fun and easy, sort of out to dinner, resort, easy breezy sort of thing that you can stick in your suitcase and then mainly use your tote for around town. And so I was looking at this in different colors, and honestly, the price has gone up so much on these. Plus, when I was in Hawaii, I got a really good deal on this one. And so I just couldn't justify paying a little bit more. And I was like, you know what? Well, for what I'm looking for and for what I'm kind of envisioning, I want to kind of hit that lower price point. I also was looking at the Gucci minis, the super minis, the ones that are like, could be a belt bag, could be a crossbody. And I was like, those are very cute, but I'm just not really sure if that style is going to endure a little bit longer through the seasons. And so I was like, for this price point, for this idea, for this style, for this moment, what would be the combo? And so that's what brought me to our little Prada unboxing for today. And this will go very quick because even though I ordered her online, she shipped in a tote bag. I think she shipped from a Prada store. Other things that I bought from Prada have come directly from Prada online. Have come directly from Italy. This came from LA, and so I'm pretty sure it was just a retail store. There's an envelope in there, I might be able to tell. So there you go. And now please comment down below your guess as to what it is. And hi, can you get it? Here we go. Inside, a very cute dust bag to reveal. I don't know if people just like fast forward and it's like, oh, the suspense, blah. My little Prada Re-edition nylon bag. So freaking cute. So this is the Prada Re-edition 2000. It has a little plaque logo there. It is just a little nylon handbag. So hand carry on the shoulder. If you're feeling super sassy, you can jam it up into your armpit and throw it back like that. Works. I'm a bigger girl, but this is like It's possible. It's happening. Is it my favorite way to wear it? No, I think mostly handheld, but hey, it did work for me. And red. This scrunchie on my wrist is from the Stony Clover Ruby collection. They actually released kind of like a Prada sort of dupes. They had like the scrunch handle bag and in this color, but I think the color complements it really well. It actually matches the trim perfectly. Like the color matches right on. This is like slightly darker, but it's such a cute friggin' combo. With my red hair candy and my Audrey necklaces, like, hi Valentine's Day, hi moment. Let's get into the bag. Okay, so we have kind of like the seat belt handle here, which is like a little, there's a little puff to her. The little keychain charm. Prada Re Edition 2000, the nameplate. We have the Saffiano, I think it's Saffiano leather pull. We have a ton of tissue paper on the inside. Let's get that out. Plastic zipper is what it is. This bag retailed for, I want to say 900. Let me see if it's, ooh, what's this? Oh, cute, a little authenticity card. Oh, and the color Rosso. So here's all the information. I don't know if I should be sharing that. That might have my authenticity number on it. Cute. This is obviously my first Prada bag. I had gotten shoes and a scrunchie from Prada before, but never a full-size bag. Okay, and this has the Re nylon, all the information. Prada presents the Re nylon collection made with Eco Nile, regenerated nylon yarn attained from nylon waste, such as fishing nets, fabric scraps, mills, and old carpets destined for landfills. Incredible. Well done, Prada. Oh, and the Prada group uses labels with passive RFID, radio frequency identification technology, in order to guarantee the authenticity of the items purchased and to improve customer care. The labels contain no personal data. So there's a little RFID information tag in the bag. Cute. I wonder if it's behind the little Prada nameplate there. Yeah, but so it's just an open hole. Oh, there's a tag in here. Let's see what she says. This says made in Italy, and there's a little control number. The lining, like it is a fully lined bag, and the lining just has that Prada. There's something about Prada lining that to me, I hate to say it, it always looks like a fake. I don't know, maybe I just like was exposed to too many Prada fakes in like the early 2000s when like at flea markets and stuff like that. But like they would put the Prada style lining, this style lining in like a Louis Vuitton, and that's how you would know it was fake. But then it was like for Prada, that was like the real bag. Like, I don't know if that makes sense. I bought it from online. I'm not worried. I mean, like, look at this bag with the embossing. Come on. All right, let me see if I have the price in here. It was under $1,000. Okay, that's kind of wackadoo. But anyway, so I looked at the red Bottega and I was like, yeah, I just can't stomach the price. I looked at the red Gucci mini, but I just felt like, you know what? I feel like the style is kind of on the way out. Like, it's not really on trend. And then I was like, I really wish they did a re-edition crystal in the red. This does not have it, but it does say that this would return it to Beverly Hills, North Rodeo Drive. And so I think that's where it shipped from. Not mad at it. Dust bag is very cute. It has little waxed shoelace pulls, a little see-through, but like fuzzy and soft and nice. Not as nice as the Bottega dust bag, but here we are. This was half the price. Very cute. And then for a little comparison, I grabbed my pochette accessoires. Sorry, French, we're speaking French. Really should just do a basic course because I'm always on here making a darn fool of myself. Okay, so you can see the drop on the pochette accessoire. Much deeper, but the size of the little pouches, comparable, I would say. Comparable in about every way. So this will fit about what would fit in the pochette accessoire. And actually, this one's red on the inside too. a little red compare. This one's like a little orangier. This one's like a little bit bluey. Cute. With the ruby. I like the ruby better with that one. Anyway, so I was missing a red bag. I need a little pop of color. Here we are for under $1,000 and a very on-trend moment. I'm super happy with it. I think it'll be a lot of fun, and I think it'll be really good to travel with. Like, this will squish down. No problemo. No muss, no fuss. Very excited. Okay, that's it. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. What's on the to-do list? Instagram, good things, comments, whatever. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.